Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Chef Christy and I am grilling today, y'all. I am making a quesadilla burger that is going to be perfect for your 4th of July cookout. And don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'm putting out recipes every single Monday and Thursday, and I don't want you to miss out on any of these delicious recipes, so hit that notification bell so you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. So now let me go show you how to make these amazing quesadilla burgers. Okay, so I'm taking 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and to that I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper. And I'm also going to be adding some seasoning of, I have here some onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Okay, I have taken off my rings and my watch, and I'm going in with my hands to form patties, mixing the seasoning all up in this ground beef. Okay, so I have divided this burger into thirds, and then I'm going to begin to form patties. I got to make sure that I wash my hands really good after handling that raw ground beef. All right, so now I'm just going to go outside and put my burgers on the grill. So my burgers are completely cooked, and what I'm going to do now is I have a cast iron griddle here, and I'm just going to take some butter and I'm just going to kind of slather this griddle with butter. Then I'm going to place 2 small fajita sized tortillas onto my griddle. And then I'm going to add a good amount of shredded cheddar cheese to on top of each tortilla. Then I'm going to place my burger on top of one. So next I'm going to top my burger with some fresh pico de gallo that I made. So let me show you how I made this. Okay, so for the pico de gallo, I am using a Roma tomato, and I'm going to quarter them. And I'm also going to remove the seeds, and I just want to keep the flesh part of the tomato. Then I'm just going to begin to make slices and then go back in the opposite direction to make just a small dice. And then I'm going to take about 1/2 of a red onion, and I'm going to make small dice on it as well. And add it to my tomatoes. And then I'm going to mince 1 clove of garlic using my garlic press. And I'm also going to use some fresh cilantro, just gathering up the leaves in a tight bundle so that I can begin to chop finely. And then add some salt. And then a squeeze of some lime. And stirring, and that is it. I have some shredded iceberg lettuce. I'm going to add a slice of avocado And lastly, I have some delicious Chipotle Mayo that I made. I'm gonna drizzle this on top, but let me show you how I made this.
Okay, so I have about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and to this I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Chipotle peppers in adobo, a squeeze of some lime juice, and then some agave nectar. And I'm just going to stir it all together. And that's it.
Wow. You're gonna love this. I hope that you give this a try. These quesadilla burgers are so delicious. I hope that you have a happy 4th of July, and I will see you soon with more recipes.